Hello, 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 everyone. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet. Happy Monday. Oh, guys, I had the best weekend. Sorry, I got a little guy wanting to show himself. I need a haircut, y'all, but it ain't happening. I'm just not messing with it. I'll just have to deal with it after my surgery 6 months later. So I'm going to be looking pretty good. I think I see a lot of headbands in my future in the videos because it's starting to look a little crazy. But anywho, I had the best weekend. You guys know I had my grandsons. My son came and stayed the weekend at our house and to help me take care of him and I'm glad he was here because my knee, it's really bad, guys. It's getting to the point now where it's swelling up and I can't hardly get around. It is really, yeah, I've been putting ice on it, trying to help with the swelling. So I am so ready for Friday to get here. I'm very nervous about the surgery, but I am so ready for it to be here and be over with, and hopefully get back on my feet and this knee feel better. So we will see what happens. But anyway, uh, so he came over and helped me with the grandsons, and we just had the best time. And my grandson, the oldest one, Wyatt, who's 5, he now thinks that his Uncle Matt is the greatest uncle on the planet because Uncle Matt brought all his Xbox stuff over and they played video games. So, in Wyatt's eyes, Uncle Matt is the coolest uncle on the planet. So, they really had a great time with that. Cooper is just so fun now. He's up walking and going everywhere and doing everything, and his he has got the funniest little personality that's coming out. I mean, cuteness overload, funny. So they got here Friday, and we just hung out at the house Friday. I made some goulash, and that's what we had for supper. And we just played in the living room and played Xbox, watched some Bluey and Toy Story. Just had a great time. And then Saturday, my great niece came over and helped me tremendously. Got all my yarn um, organized. I've got a bedroom down here that has yarn in it, and then of course my office upstairs with the yarn. So we organized both of those yarn rooms. She helped me in my kitchen. I went through. I've got up to my eyeballs in cookbooks because when a cookbook comes out, I can't resist. But I've had so many over the years that I just don't even look at and mess with anymore. So we boxed up a bunch of those. I kept my most favorites and boxed up a bunch of cookbooks that we're going to donate to our homemakers holiday sale. And then we organized my pantry. It needed it so bad. It was an absolute mess. So we got that organized. And you can't see it, but she also helped me put my project bags together, um, so that I have projects to work on for the 6 weeks that I'm recuperating because I will not, after Friday, there will be no going upstairs for 6 weeks. So I have Christmas gifts, project bags I'm working on, my sweater that you can see part of it right here, my sweater project bag, um, a baby blanket project bag. That one's kind of my last one. If everything else gets done, then I'll move to the blanket because I don't have to have that one done till May. So that one's my very last one that I'll work on. And then I just found out that a really dear friend of my daughter's, who she went to college with, is expecting her first baby. And so I want to make a baby blanket for her too. So I've got another project I keep adding to the list. So yeah, so all you can't see them, but they're over there on the floor next to the couch, and there's probably about 7 project bags laying there. So I think I'm good for a little while. And then somebody else is going to have to go upstairs and get me more yarn. So we'll see what eventually happens. Um, so I've got that. And there's two things I wanted to show you today that I worked on and finished. First one is, and I had someone email me a picture of theirs, so I'm going to attach it to the end of this video. I'm still not real good at inserting pictures, so it's going to be at the end of the video. But the blanket, the scrap can that we were working on, um, for what, 14 months? That was so fun. I finally got the border on mine, and this is the border. I think it fits in perfect with this blanket. There's this side with the border, and going down this edge. So I got the border on. It just, I think it works really well with this blanket. So let me fold it because it's a monster. It fits my, it fits perfectly on the upstairs twin size bed. So there's the different weeks. Let me pull it up this way so you can see the rest of it. There we go. So it fits perfectly upstairs on the twin size bed. And I love how all the colors work together in that. So there's the scrap can. And then, and I'm going to link this in the description box below. But I don't know. Oh, there it is. I couldn't find it. Uh, Jennifer at Cinnamon Stitches did a tutorial on a chicken. And some of you, most of you probably have seen it, but if you haven't, I'm going to link that video in the description box. But my mother-in-law has chickens, and she absolutely adores her chickens. She loves them. So I thought, oh, that would make a cute Christmas gift for her. So it only took me an hour to make it. I followed Jennifer's tutorial and worked on it as she worked on hers. And within an hour, we had a chicken. And it is the cutest chicken. I've made chickens before. I've made the chicken pot holders. I've made, different stuff with chickens. This is my favorite chicken pattern ever. And I've just got to show you. I used Red Heart Super Saver, and it was a jumbo speckled, but the name of the color was marked off. I couldn't read it, so I don't know what the colorway is, but it's the Red Heart Super Saver jumbo speckled. I found that at Walmart and bought it because I thought it was perfect for the color of a chicken. Is she not the cutest little chicken you've ever seen? Her little tail, her little, what is that? What are they called? Comb. Her little comb. Oh, and her little stone on beak. Oh, she's so cute. And it's made to where the bottom is flat and she'll just sit. She sits perfectly like this. Now, the way Jennifer talks about it in her video, if you leave the comb off, I don't know if you can see, it's just kind of like just a bird. And you can make it any kind of bird you want. But you put a comb on and you've got a chicken. Is this not the cutest? All you do is you make your circle. You guys know how to increase and make a circle. And then when you get it as wide as you want the bird, then you just do continuous rounds. And then you do like a couple of rounds where it's just one single all the way around. Then you do a round where you do an increase, you pretend where the four corners might be, and you increase in each of those four. And then you do a couple more rounds, and then you do another increase round just to plump her up. Then when you get that all done, you're just going to have to watch the video. It's hard to explain it, but it's super easy. I could make a gazillion of these in no time at all. But is she not precious? And I think my mother-in-law is going to love her, and she'll probably put her right in the middle of her dining room table. I can about guess that's where she's going to go. So yeah, but I'll link Cinnamon Stitch's tutorial in the description box. You guys have got to make one of these. It's so cute. I made this, like I said, with the worsted weight, and this is the size I got. You could also use jumbo, like 5, you could use a number 5, not a jumbo, but a 5 bulky weight yarn. Um, it's so cute. She is just so cute. And I'm sorry, I'm not a big chicken. I don't have chickens, but I think she's adorable. I think she would look cute in any kitchen. So that's what I've been working on. And I've got much more. I'm getting ready to leave here this morning and go over to my mom's. She makes peanut brittle every year, like batches upon batches. And she's going to make some to take to the homemaker holiday sale that we're doing this month, which I'm not going to be able to go to because of my surgery. But um, it's such a fun time, and I hate that I'm going to miss it. But anyway, I'm going over to help her make her batches of peanut brittle. She sends a batch to her brother and to her sister in Ohio. She gives each of us one, me and my two sisters. We each get a tin of peanut brittle from her, and then she's making enough to go to the homemaker holiday. So she's making a bunch. So my sister and I are going over to her house this morning to help her make peanut brittle. Um, that's a job where I can sit down and help her. And so that's what I'm going to do, the sit down part. My sister can do the stand up part, because I can't stand on my feet very long with this knee like it is. So anywho, that's what we're going to do today. And I'm not telling you yet, but guys, I keep saying it because I want you to get excited about this, and I want you to stay tuned for this. Um, I am collaborating with one of my subscribers, and we are doing something really neat for the month of December, but I'm not telling you yet. You're going to have to wait till December 1st. Um, you know what? No, you're not going to have to wait till December 1st. November 30th, the last day of November, I will come on here and I will announce what we're doing for the month of December. It's going to be so fun. So I'm real excited about that, going to the post office and sending her some stuff to go along with that. And so we'll be talking more about that at the end of November. So I'm going to get off here and head to the post office and head to my mom's and get some peanut brittle made. So I hope you guys have a marvelous Monday. Thank you for watching me today and coming across my channel. If it's your first time watching Critters Crochet, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. And there's lots more coming for the new year that I'm really excited about. So hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss anything that's coming up. I promise you will not be disappointed. And so I will hope you guys have a marvelous Monday. I will see you soon, and I love you all very much. Thank you for supporting my channel, and have a great day. Bye, guys.